Hello, today I will show you how to use Aapos, a computerized inventory management system. I will show you how to add a new product or item in product management. Go to Manage Product and select New button. Input all the information of your product. In my case I will try a test product. You can add a new category and supplier by clicking the three dots button beside of the drop-down. You can also check or uncheck the checkbox if your item has expiration date or none. You can also edit the suggested retail price that based on the markup settings that can found in utilities. Double check your product if it goes in your database. You can easily search your product by typing the keywords of your product. Let's go to cart to test the product. You can input the keywords of your product in search field, or you can scan the barcode of your product by using a barcode laser scanner. If the customer bought a quantity of 2 or more of the product, just input first the number of quantity before scanning the barcode. If you wish to add more quantity of the product, just simple input the keywords or barcode of the product in search field. Let's try to process the transaction and preview the receipt that will generate after the transaction. Let's click Process and check the inventory. On the sales inventory you can select by receipt to show the information of the transaction or select by item to show the information of the product. You can also reprint the receipt if the customer wish another copy of receipt. Let's check the product information if the quantity is deducted in your product. And as you can see, the quantity sold on this product is recorded and deducted on the product information. If you wish to restock on this product, you can simply click the restock button and enter the quantity that will be added in product information. Now, let's show how the dashboard of the system works. In the dashboard, we can choose a daily, monthly, or a yearly range of report you wish to visualize. In monthly option, you can select from January to December and just select which year you want to view. The system can also show you which is the top item or product and which categories is on top. You can also select January to April if you wish to. And you can also just select a single month, for example only in the month of January. The system will show you the graphs that belongs only in January. Let's proceed to barcode and QR code generator. In the barcode and QR code generator, you can select a date on when you stocked the product or item. You can select barcode or QR code, and select printer that already installed in your system. Let's now proceed to Cash in Drawer. The Cash in Drawer module records all transactions pertaining to cash in and cash out by the user. You can change the default markup by navigating in Utilities and select Markup Setup. The default markup is set to 40% from the original price. Let's try to change it into 100% and see how it works. As you can see, the retail price automatically mark up by 100%. You can also change the receipt logo based on the logo of your store by navigating to Utilities and select Receipt option. You can also input 3 additional text below receipt. Let's check if it works. Add to cart. Process, and click Preview Receipt. And boom, it works. You can change the company basic information by navigating to Utilities and click Company Information. The company information will reflect in your receipt for the information of your client. You can also export the master list of your product to Excel if you wish to. And now, for example, a customer demand to return the item he or she purchased. Navigate to Sales Inventory button and select the date when the customer purchased the item based on the receipt he got. In our case, the customer purchased the item on November 9, 2024. And click the Return button in upper right corner. Click the item he or she wants to return and select a quantity. Input a reason why he or she wants to return the item and click Proceed. Now, let's check if the quantity returned is deducted in the original quantity before. And boom, it's already deducted. You can see all returned item by navigating in View and select View Returned Item. All you need to run and use this software is in laptop or PC, with Windows 8 to 11 operating system. It is your choice to use Zebra laser scanner for barcode and QR code. And to use 58mm portable USB thermal printer. And Aapos software. That's all. Thank you for watching.